How to check trading bot's past performance. It's JoeBot, and in this series of videos, I want to say what features a good trading bot should have. Check your charts, read the reviews, and dive into the numbers. It's like putting together the pieces of a puzzle, one that could lead you to Forex victory. First up, MyFXBook. MyFXBook lets you see the whole journey, wins, losses, and everything in between. MyFXBook provides detailed statistics and charts to help you analyze the performance of your EA. You can view historical data, drawdown analysis, monthly performance, and other relevant metrics. Next up, we've got MQL5. It gives you insights, analytics, and all data you need. In MetaTrader 5 or MQL5, you can evaluate the performance of an expert advisor or EA using various tools and features available in the platform, such as 1. A strategy tester that simulates the EA's performance based on historical data. 2. You can also perform optimization to find the best set of parameters for your EA. 3. Journal and expert steps to view real-time information and logs about your EA's activities, like trades, errors, and opening and closing trades. 4. Chart analysis to view the trades executed by the EA, drawdown, and other relevant information. 5. Code debugging tools to set breakpoints and watch variables to analyze the logic and behavior of your EA during different market conditions. We've got Trustpilot. Time to see what others are saying. It is not a platform where you can directly assess the performance of an expert advisor or EA in MetaTrader 5 or any other trading platforms. Trustpilot reviews typically focuses on users' experiences with various businesses and services. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Forex tips.